Hey guys, hope you like that. You can use just a simple ketchup with sriracha or make an Indian chutney. There's lots of options. I have a red cabbage sabzi that you could try and just put these on top with the other veggies. But yeah, it's just great. If you want lazy man's, a little ketchup, sriracha, or cumin spice or tomato paste, just make a little tomato based dip. These are so good. Hope you like that. And we'll talk to you next time, guys.